Hey guys, I just wanted to give you one pointer whenever you're setting up an Intex EasySet pool, and that is, this is the number one thing you gotta do before you set it up. If you don't do this, you're gonna be asking for trouble. You gotta make sure that you have level ground. It has to be level. Like you have to, maybe within an inch, but you gotta remember that water is gonna level out whatever. It's going to show every imperfection in your land. So if you don't have it like that, if you don't have it level, all the water is going to start moving to the one side, and once it starts going over that edge, you're going to end up having all the water go out of your pool. Make sure you keep an eye on your water. If you see it's getting level, you're going to have to lower it. You're going to have to remove some of it. Just want to make sure you start on the right foot. I got a lot more videos coming up, but I wanted to get this out to you first. If you're getting a pool, and I would definitely recommend it. This is our 6th year for ours, and I'm going to do a review of it shortly, so stick around.